Hello, everyone. So today I'm planning to show you something funny. Um, when my oldest daughter was in elementary school, and that was like ages ago, and she was starting division, I thought of something. I always loved the number nine. I thought it's easy to deal with, especially in division or multiplication, as you know. I know that many of you already learned when they were kids how to multiply numbers by nine by using their fingers or some other artifact. However, the method I came up with, which wasn't really um, um, like I would say regular, um, I haven't seen anybody using it. It's not a big deal. It's as you will see, it's really so easy. So let me show you this. Um, so dividing numbers, dividing by nine using, and here's the bombshell, addition. What? Are you going to add numbers? Yeah. I will start with her birthday, okay? April 23rd. And let's divide that by 9. The first thing we do, we are going to add the digits. You know how to check if a number is divisible by 9? You just add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is. So that's basically what we are going to do. Why isn't it showing? Okay, it doesn't matter. So when I add 4 plus 2 plus 3, I get 9, meaning a single 9, so I write 1. Then I hide the ones digit, I get 42, so I write 42. Then I hide the tens digit, I get 4, so I add 4. Then I hide the 4, there is nothing, so let's add these. 1 plus 2 plus 47. 47 is the answer. Let's check and see. Oops. Oh, 423 divided by 9. And sure enough, you get 47. And you say, okay, that's fine. But what if you have a larger number? Let's say 846 divided by 9. Now, if you add 6 plus 4 is 10 and 8, 18. 18 is two nines, right? So instead of writing 1, I'm going to write 2 because I found two nines. Hide the 6, I get 84. Hide the 4, I get 8. Add them up, 8 and 2, 10 and 4, 14, and carry over 1 and 8, 9. So the answer should be 94. 846 divide by 9, and sure enough, I get 94. So that's an easy one, to use for 9. I mean, it's funny. It's not like I don't think you would use it, but it's something I wanted to share with you. I just mentioned that there is a way to generate a table of 9. So you say 9 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9. And I know that many people learn that by saying, they were told the following: start the ones digit with 9 and then decrease it by 1. So you make it 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or something similar to that. And then for the tens digit, start with 0 and keep adding ones. So here I subtract 1, here I add 1, and you did that. Yeah, nice. But what always uh intrigued me is why did you stop at 9? Why didn't you take any number that ends with 9 and provided their table? So for example, let's say I want to multiply anything that starts with 9. Let me take an easy one, 49. Times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9. And how can you quickly generate that table. And you say, why would I care about that? Well, some people have trouble with long division. So I'm going to show you how to construct the table of 49 and then show you if you are dividing a number by 49, how quickly that would help you. If you can generate that quickly, and I will show you how quickly you can. For the ones digit, it's the same. I'm going to write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, of course, 49 times 1 is 49. But what do I do with the tens digit? If you think about it for a second, remember here when I was multiplying 9 by 1, the 9 has a 0 tens digit. Because this was a 0, I kept adding one more. 1, 1, 1. So when it's 4, what do you think I should keep adding? If you said 5, you got it, right? One more than the tens digit. The tens digit is 4, so I'm going to add 5. 4 and 5, 9. And of course, the 5 is easy because you get 14, 19, 24, 29, 34, 39, 44. That's it. And you would say, okay, so how would that help me? Let's pick any number 734 times 49. So suppose you get a problem where you were asked to divide. That's not how I learned division, by the way. In French schools, it's opposite. It took me a while when I saw it and I said, what? What are they doing? I don't know. What is that? Anyway, you're gonna make fun of me, but so suppose I wanted to divide that by 49. See how quickly I produced the table of 49? And now I will go down the road until, you see, I cannot divide 35 by 49. So I will have to take 359. 359, 359, 3. Oh, it's somewhere between here. So it's more than 7, but less than 8. So I write 7. I know that 7 times 49 is 343. So I subtract, I get 16. And then I bring down the 6. 166, 160 is between 3 and 4. So I enter 3. 3 times 49 is 147. And then I subtract. I get 9 and 1. And then I bring down the 1. 196 is 4. So the answer is 734. So if your child has problems or trouble with long division, and you get a number, you can have decimal places, that's not a big deal. But if you have a number and you want to divide by 49, they can learn how to generate this 49 or 79 or even 109 very quickly by using this method. And that helped them how to do the long division quicker. I will show you maybe later how to develop a table for numbers that end with 8 or 7 or 6 and so on and so forth. I hope this wasn't bad. It was easy for you to follow and share with your kids. And I hope it would be beneficial to them. Thank you very much for your time and hope to see you soon. Bye.